2025 Suzuki Hayabusa continues its legacy as the ultimate sport bike, offering a blend of exhilarating performance, advanced electronics, and iconic aerodynamic styling. While not a radical redesign, the 2025 model receives some key refinements to enhance its rideability and rider experience. New color schemes available in two stunning new color options: Metallic Mystic Silver and Pearl Vigor Blue, Metallic Matte Steel Green and Metallic Matte Titanium Silver. Key updates and features for 2025. Refined electronics, improved launch control system, recalibrated engine speeds for more effective launches. New smart cruise control system, no longer cancels when the rider shifts gears using the bidirectional quick shifter, providing a smoother cruising experience. Engine and performance retains the legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters per cylinder engine, producing around 190 brake horsepower with incredibly smooth and linear power delivery. Comprehensive electronic system SIRS includes various features like selectable riding modes, SDMS Alpha, bidirectional quick shift system, motion track traction control, anti-lift control system, and more. Chassis and braking features a robust twin-spar aluminum frame, fully adjustable KYB suspension, and top-tier Brembo Stylema front brakes with cornering ABS. The 2025 Hayabusa continues to excel as a hyperbike that beautifully blends outright speed with comfort and versatility. Its aerodynamics are highly effective at high speeds, contributing to excellent road grip and confidence. The engine is praised for its bottomless pit of torque and buttery smooth delivery, making it suitable for everything from long-distance touring to spirited riding. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa builds upon its strong foundation with smart electronic refinements and new aesthetic options, reinforcing its position as a top-tier hypersport motorcycle offering a unique blend of power, comfort, and advanced technology.